Check it out, guys. There is the waterfall Ban Gioc, and you can see on the other side up there in the hills, looks like China have built some kind of, looks like a slide or a walkway or something, probably a walkway to get down. So that's the China side, the opposite hill of the river there, the Iguazu River. And you can see people on the river there getting a real close-up shot of the river vibes. Most of them are Chinese. There's hardly anyone on the Vietnam side. I think I'm going to be the only person from Vietnam down there. Beautiful view of some of the largest and most beautiful waterfalls here in Southeast Asia. All right, so I guess we can park here. $40,000 which is cheap. It's about like $2 US. Come on. This is the ticket, and then you just come down here, take the ticket to the guy waiting over here. Xin chào, ticket. Okay, thank you. Do not use fly cam. Okay. All these shops are closed. Just these mutts here. Hello. Hello, mutts. What's your name? Hey, cheeky little mutt. 3. It looks like mummy or daddy. Alright guys, I think due to the COVID, a lot of these shops along here are closed. I guess they're pretty busy when there's no lockdowns or anything like that, and there's hardly anyone here, man. I think I'm the only tourist here from the Vietnam side. I was just checking out the waterfall from the road, and I saw a lot of people on the China side. So you can see a lot of the vacant store spots are all empty, man. There's the waterfalls there, guys. Beautiful, eh? Absolutely beautiful. And there we go. Ban Gioc waterfall. Look at that, man. It's a UNESCO global geopark area, and you can see all the people on there. Are they from this? So that's China over there, guys. On that side is China. So you can see all the Chinese on that side, quite a lot. But on this side, there's hardly anyone, hardly any Vietnamese. I think you got more Chinese over here as well. So much more Chinese. You can tell they're Chinese because they got their cameras flipped out. You know what Chinese are, man. They love photos. But that is beautiful. Beautiful. I wonder what that is actually. I think it's a walkway. Yeah, it is. Look at all the Chinese on that side. So much Chinese on the walkway up there. Damn. That's very innovative indeed. Very, very innovative. See if we can get a bit closer. So down there they can also disembark and embark. So this is the Vietnam side. Look at all these boats. There's hardly anyone here, but all on the Chinese side there's a lot. So there's this side of the falls, and then there's this side of the falls. Let's go over here first and have a look, guys, a bit closer. Alright guys, so you've got waterfalls on the Vietnam side. Let's start here on the left, and then let's walk down here, show you guys some more. And you got these ones here. cascading over the rocks there. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. And I wonder what kind of fish are in here. I wonder if they have like little freshwater prawns, coda we call them in Aotearoa, New Zealand, coda. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. And then on the China side over there are a few more waterfalls. I think that's the main one, but it's shared between Vietnam and China. So let's walk over this green bridge here and get a bit closer to those ones over here. But even these ones are beautiful, absolutely stunning. Alright, let's go over here and check out the bigger waterfalls. Still beautiful though. They got signs there saying no fly cams, but I tell you what, the Vietnamese don't even care. It's the Chinese that don't want people to fly the fly cams over. The reason why is they want people to pay to go on the water to get close-up shots. But I mean, the Vietnamese are not very fond of the Chinese, so they don't care. So if you throw up the fly cam, they'll just let you throw it up anyway, which is all good. This looks like artificial sand here, like a beach. Beautiful, eh? Let's get a bit closer and closer. So these are the main waterfalls. Look at that. No swimming. Says you're not allowed to swim. Come on, get out of here. So there's all Chinese, guys. That's China right there. And they've built a walkway. You can see it cascading up there. All Chinese. Chinese, Chinese, Chinese. I'm the only Vietnamese person on Vietnam side. Look, this is Vietnam. That's China. I'm the only one here. What the hell? It's beautiful though. Hey, there's a guy over there. There's a guy up there. I think he's Vietnamese. He's staying there. How do you get up there? Look how close we are. Those are the waterfalls, guys. Oh, there are guys. He's fishing. He's fishing off the waterfall there. That's Vietnam for you. Vietnam style. They don't give us stuff. It's beautiful there. Absolutely beautiful. Now the guy back there who's got a boat, he goes, oh, 200,000 Vietnam dong, I'll take you out. But actually I checked and it's actually going to cost 40,000, not 200,000. I'll be happy to give him 50 or 60, but come on, 200,000? No, boy. You can't rip off this Māori fella. Anyway, look at these cheeky Chinese. Hey, 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 you get on the China side. Lovely. I wonder in full rainy season around July, August, I reckon that this waterfall is just cascading fully because of the wet season vibes. Look at these cheeky Chinese. But pretty much this area is shared. It's kind of shared between Vietnam and China. To be honest, I think borders are stupid anyway. I mean, a bird doesn't go, hey look, I'm going over to China, I need to have my passport ready. No, I mean, I just saw a butterfly fly over there. So, I mean, you know, these borders are just illusionary, man. You know, guys, I'm here looking at the China side, and I'm thinking, you know what? I think this is how a lot of the Chinese actually jump the border, is they probably just swim across this river and then come over to Vietnam, because there've been a lot of Chinese immigrants illegally crossing the border and coming into Vietnam. Apparently they've been caught and they've tested positive for the CV. So I mean, it's just easy just to jump in here, swim across, looks like 50 meters, and you're into either country. I guess it's that easy. I mean, you could go up river and do it, you know what I mean? Look at all these Chinese guys. I can't believe there's so many. Look at them. And they're all coming up more. And this is Vietnam side. Oh my goodness, where is everyone on this side? Let's check out this monument here next to the waterfall. Waterfall's over here. And then there's this monument which says Vietnam 836. I wonder what that means. Area not allowed for swimming. Hey, there's a guy there swimming. Not allowed for swimming. Hey, there's a guy swimming. Nah, he's laying a net out there. He's got a net which extends across this little channel here. He knows how to take advantage of the resources here, and he's whacking the water so that the fish scamper into the net. Very smart. I wonder what kind of fish he gets. Ah, he's poking under the rocks. The fish are hiding under the rocks, so he's pushing them out into the net. Very smart. They're probably just little prawns or something like that. Ah, look, you can see the fish down here, guys. And it looks to be some kind of like jellyfish. Oh no, they're actually small little fish that make up, they look like a jellyfish. So the fish are quite big here actually. So he's laid the net across here, across this channel. So while all the Chinese are taking photos, this guy is actually catching fish for his family. You can see the fish here, guys. See, look, the little black ones. I'm sure it's under here. There, look at that. Look at that snake, guys. It's like a baby snake. Holy moly. It's under this rock here. I wonder what kind of snake that is. There it is. Yo guys, check out this barbed wire. Maybe this is a place where you can't go down, or you're not allowed to. But we shall explore. So I cannot find a way up there, guys. I wanted to get up there to walk up the top, but I don't think you can. I think that guy's from the China side. This is kind of like the real closest you can get, pretty much. I've had to cascade over these rocks, so this is pretty much the closest you can get. This is certainly beautiful though. Certainly a beautiful waterfall, one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've seen so far on my travels around the world. This one certainly is up there at the top, definitely. I'd love to go over to China and come on the China side down that massive looking walkway. I actually think it looks like a slide. It's like a slide. Could even be like a luge. In New Zealand, in Rotorua, we have what's called a luge. At Rainbow Ferry Springs, you come down on like a little trolley thing, which is called a luge. Certainly is beautiful. And check out the butterfly. Oh no, they're dragonflies. All these dragonflies flying around here. Little baby over there getting some swim time in. Alright. It's actually so good being here when there's no tourists. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, I've had to put this on because there's a bit of dust going around, and I'm gonna head back on the motorbike, so gotta watch out for all those dusty trucks. Small ones, but I guess it's a feed, guys. Good job. Alright, bit sad seeing the Vietnam side like this because of the CV outbreak. Little puppy, come here. Just a friendly mutt, that's all. Man, I need to grab some water, guys. Super duper hot. It's about 35 degrees. I've drunk 1.5 liters today already. I think I need another 1.5 liters. All right. See you later, Ban Gioc Waterfalls. All right, let's ride into the sunset, guys. Okay, so another thing I wanted to tell you guys is that there is a pagoda nearby, but I don't have time to go and check out that pagoda. Ah, it's actually up there. It's just up there, you can see it. I guess this is the entrance over here somewhere. Ah, I think the entrance is over here. And then there's some caves here, but I've seen more than enough caves, man. I've seen the ones in Ninh Binh, I've seen the ones in Quang Binh, Phung Nga. I've seen many caves here in Vietnam, and they're all beautiful, I must say. But I do want to catch some sunset vibes on the way home. This motorbike ride